a rarity with racing genes, sets new benchmarks for performance in the premium small car segment. The new Mini John Cooper Works GP is the fastest model of the British brand that has ever been approved for road use. A 225 kilowatts 306 horsepower four-cylinder turbocharged engine accelerates the two-seater model based on the Mini 3-door from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The new Mini John Cooper Works GP will be presented to the public for the first time at the Los Angeles Auto Show and subsequently produced in a limited edition of 3,000 units at the Mini plant in Oxford. Delivery to racing enthusiasts around the globe will get underway in March 2020. The new Mini John Cooper Works GP has model-specific design features that make it standing as an exceptional athlete, unmistakable right from the starting line. These also make a significant contribution to the car's driving characteristics, namely stability and precise controllability, even in highly dynamic situations. The body, which has been modified in detail, primarily optimizes the car's aerodynamic balance and the targeted supply of cooling air to the drive units and brake system. The large roof spoiler with double wing contours, the model-specific design of the front apron surround known as the black band, and the front spoiler lip of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP form a precisely coordinated package designed to reduce lift. As a result, lift values on the front and rear axles are significantly reduced as compared to the Mini John Cooper Works. In addition, the front apron has particularly large air intakes. The roof spoiler, which extends far beyond the side line, has a key role to play in optimizing driving dynamics. With its reversed wing profile, it generates maximum downforce with the lowest possible aerodynamic drag in order to press the vehicle onto the road at high speeds. The visually unmistakable features that are important in terms of the car's aerodynamic properties also include the large and strikingly flared wheel arch trims of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP. They make it possible to combine the use of very large track widths and wide wheels with optimized air ducting in the side section of the vehicle. The purist character of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP, geared towards maximum performance, is further underscored by precisely deployed designed accentuations. Only the exclusive finish racing gray metallic is available for the exterior paintwork. Meanwhile, the roof and exterior mirror caps are finished in the contrasting color of melting silver metallic. Just like the front apron, the rear apron with integrated rear fog lamps has a distinctive shaping. A cross member on the hexagonal radiator grille, the inserts in the lower air intake, and the inside of the roof spoiler are finished in high-gloss chili red. Meanwhile, the GP logos on the front and rear, the outer sides of the roof spoiler and the door sill finishers, as well as the foils above the side skirts, are finished with a stylized GP in Rosso red metallic matte. A striking contrast here is provided by the black finish of the headlamp surrounds, the central radiator grille and rear lights, the fuel filler flap and the door handles, as well as the inlay on the bonnet and the Mini logo at the front and rear of the vehicle. The black inlays on the headlamps and the maximally darkened Union Jack rear light units likewise emphasize the uncompromising sporty flair of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP. Two seats and reduced acoustic insulation for the purpose of weight optimization also give the interior of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP genuine sports car flair. The standard equipment includes John Cooper Works sports seats in dynamical leather combination with silver side edges, red accentuation seams, a GP badge underneath the integrated headrests and red belt straps. The interior trim on the passenger side bears the numbering of the respective vehicle. This is produced individually for each one of the 3,000 extreme athletes by means of 3D printing. The model-specific John Cooper Works leather steering wheel also acquires its exclusive character from accentuations produced using the 3D printing process. In addition to red accentuation seams, the steering wheel rim made of soft nappa leather also features a metal center marking for the 12 o'clock position created using the additive manufacturing process. The shift paddles on the steering wheel are likewise 3D printed in metal. In addition to the GP logo, a characteristic honeycomb structure can be seen on the paddle surfaces. Color accentuations in the otherwise dark cockpit are provided by the red GP logos on the floor mats, matching double stripes on the gear selector, and the chilly red painted aluminium cross brace behind the seats. This serves as a shield to prevent luggage items from slipping forward in the event of sudden braking. An intense purist race feeling is conveyed by what is by far the most powerful engine ever to be used in a small car of the brand, suspension technology that is fine-tuned, based on John Cooper Works' comprehensive racing expertise, and a body that is optimized in terms of lightweight construction, torsional stiffness and aerodynamics. The new Mini John Cooper Works GP offers unrivaled sporty flair and overwhelming agility. As such, it forms part of a fascinating tradition that has been closely linked to the name of the legendary Formula One designer John Cooper ever since the debut of the classic Mini 60 years ago. On both road and racetrack, this combination has been a constant source of sporting highlights. From the first Mini Cooper and winning the British Touring Car Championship to the 3 overall victories in the Monte Carlo Rally, the Mini Challenge Racing Series, achievements in the Dakar Rally, and the latest generation of the John Cooper Works models. The exclusive character of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP, uncompromisingly geared towards extreme driving pleasure, is expressed in both its engine power and its performance characteristics. More clearly than ever before, its standing is at the very forefront of the Mini and John Cooper Works model range. Its additional output over and above that of the Mini John Cooper Works is 55 kilowatts 75 horsepower. As such, the outstanding position of the new Mini John Cooper Works GP is even more clearly defined than that of the extreme athletes of the 2 previous Mini model generations, each of which was manufactured in a small series of 2,000 units. The Mini Cooper S with John Cooper Works GP kit launched in 2006, and the Mini John Cooper Works GP of 2013 already reflected unusually intense racing flair with their 160 kilowatts 218 horsepower turbocharged engines, their specific suspension technology, and their exclusive design and equipment features. The new Mini John Cooper Works GP takes the experience of performance in a premium small car to a whole new level. In the course of test drives as part of the series development process, it completed a lap of the Nordschleife at Nürburgring in less than 8 minutes, almost half a minute faster than its direct predecessor. The model-specific tuning of the 8-speed Steptronic transmission is another element of the overall package of drive and suspension technology that is precisely geared to maximum performance, thereby giving the new Mini John Cooper Works GP its own unique properties. This is reflected in shift characteristics that are geared towards extremely sporty driving, for example, with sharper brake downshifts and direct multiple downshifts during forceful acceleration. What is more, increased engine speed level, direct feedback on shift commands, and a further increase in shift dynamics are also noticeable in automatic sports mode.